Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix Snapchat error support code ss06. For example, if you log into your account and you put your password again and again, and after that you get this kind of error, then I will tell you how you can fix that. First of all, you have to close this tab. After that, what you have to do, you have to simply open a new browser, and where you have to open a new tab, and here you have to simply search for Snapchat support so that you can fix that. Here you can simply search for Snapchat support, and here you have to simply, after searching Snapchat support, you have to simply click on the first link you are provided with. After that, here you have to search for your error, and here you have to provide the details that what kind of problem you are having in your login. After Snapchat support page has opened, what you have to do, you have to simply click on my account is compromised. If you click on that, then here will be open a new form where you have to fill some features, which is as I can't access my account, and after that you have to select any of the option. So here you can see I think my account was compromised. Moreover, you can also say that you forgot the password, because this error occurs due to you have forgot the password. So here are the details that if you forgot the email or phone number associated with my Snapchat account, we can reset your password if you do not have access to email or phone. I cannot receive a verification code because I have don't access to the email, phone number associated with my account. So you still need help, so you have to click on yes, and here you have to simply provide the username, and here you have to provide the email which is connected to your account, and here you have to provide your mobile number, and here you have to provide the description which I have already written, which is as hello Snapchat team, I have recently logged into my account and put the wrong password again and again and got the error Snapchat support code. Kindly help me in this regard as soon as possible. After that, you have to simply fill the captcha, and after filling the captcha you can simply click on submit, and Snapchat team will connect to you by that email and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. Guys, subscribe our channel.